Guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this gigabyte.com, and this is search button right hand side. Then enter your model number of your motherboard B650M S2H, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Now you can see this is version different, so all the installations process same. Click to download. Click to title of the name, which is model number. Click to support. Then you can see this is select your operating system, which is Windows 10, 11. Select any, all, both OS installation process sound same. Audio driver, Realtek audio driver, and this is size, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start automatically here. Okay, so I already downloaded, so just single click to open like that after download. And this is the exe, so double click to launch means this is ready to install to your system. So first this is copy, and after that extract to your system. Right now this is required access for administrator. Now this is extracting. Now you can see. So this is automatic close means this is installed. Chipset, AMD chipset. Click to download. When you click download, it will start automatically. So after downloaded, just single click to open. You can see this is chipset. Double click to exe. Now this is required administrator rights to. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. So this is installed and closed. LAN driver. Click to LAN. Then it is done. So this is LAN driver. Open. Double click to exe. And then yes. Now this is installing. Is automatically closed means this is installed.